Rotary Club of Wichita hosting a panel discussion talking about OneRise Health plans for improving affordable mental health treatment in the area. Jacob Albrock joins us now for a closer look at what they talked about.
Mike, today's panel discussion focused on updated plans for that OneRise Health campus and general ways to improve mental health services in Wichita. Scott Ackerson with West East Design Group's Social Impact Studio spoke about his years of experience at multiple healthcare and mental health facilities. OneRise Health plans to build an expansive 70-acre behavioral health care campus in Wichita, but Ackerson says while the new facility will be nice, it's important to remember that new buildings do not equal quality service.
The jails, the addiction recovery, the hospitals, all working together and really coordinating systems. You can build buildings as much as you want, but equally and probably more important is really getting your community systems integrated and cooperating with each other instead of battling each other.
Sedgwick County will lead construction of the OneRise Health Campus project and will then turn the hospital over to the state upon completion in late 2026.
Thanks, Jacob.